What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and guess what we got today? You know, we did the unboxing version 2.0 for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. You know, we also did a little bit of a video for the screen protector install. So you know what's next? Cases for your phones. And today we've got a big haul for you from ESR. We've got 2, 4, 6 cases from ESR that I've already got unboxed for you. We're just gonna go straight to it. I'm gonna get these on the phone, show you what it looks like, show you around, give you some feedback, and then let you make the decision if you wanna purchase this for your new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's get it. Let's go ahead. We're going to do this in a little bit of a orderly fashion. Okay, we'll get these kind of out of the way. We'll start off with our hybrid case with stash stand. So these cases, just real quick, I believe all of these cases that we have today to try on are going to come with what they call a stash stand. So stash stand means like this, okay, folks? If you're looking right here, the stash stand is going to be like this. It opens up, so you're going to have a little built-in kickstand for your phone, okay? I'm going to go ahead and just get this straight on the phone itself. Remember, I've got that Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max, and then let's take a look around. So starting with the bottom, you do have accurate cutouts for the microphone, the USB-C, and the speaker. Let's bring in our standard cable USB-C. This is gonna be a Google cable. So let's see how that fits in the hole, and then I'll show you. Pause. Right here, you can see it fits pretty snugly in that hole, so just be careful. If you get a connector for USB-C to charge it, that's a little bit on the larger side, it may not fit. So there's the bottom right there. Then taking it to the side, you do have a little bit of a bumper on each corner, all 4 corners. You do have nice coverage on your buttons right here. Pretty good tactile feedback on there. Now on this side, this is what's new this year, okay? A lot of manufacturers are doing it a little bit different. They're gonna have either a beveled cutout for the camera button, or they're gonna have a large opening for it, or they will have it covered and have almost like a tactile button that is gonna be conductive, if that's the right word, to be able to receive your touch when you're using that button, okay? Then you've got your power button on this side, top view right there. All 4 corners on the back are going to be slightly raised. And then of course on the front, I do have a screen protector. All 4 corners are gonna be slightly raised to help with that face down time, okay? You are gonna have really good camera protection for each one of these cases. I'm gonna kind of bring it up here so you guys can see. You are gonna have really good protection for those cameras on your very expensive phone. Next, we're gonna have another hybrid case. This one's gonna be in the frosted black. The one you just saw before was in frosted pink. So this is gonna be that frosted black. Exact same thing as the other phone. I'm just letting you guys see how that color looks with this phone. So with this one right here, same thing, beveled cutout, power button. Again, exact same thing as the last phone with the cutouts, raised corners on the front and on the back. Very good protection for your camera. Excellent button feedback on there. Now we're gonna bring in, this is their ESR soft case with stash stand in pink. This one, just to show you before I even get the phone on, is gonna have a huge cutout for the camera button. I don't really care for that myself personally, just because, let me show you. Let me put the phone in there and let me tell you why. Look at how much of your phone's rail is exposed. I'm gonna bring this up so you guys can see. Look at how much of your phone's rail is exposed, and also that very nice button is just wide open to the elements. I feel like this is gonna be a huge place to catch lint and dirt. Again, a chance to damage your phone if you drop it. But let's take a look around on this one. You're gonna have smooth, so even edges on the back of the phone. Still same camera protection on this one. Just remember that camera button, same tactile feedback on the buttons themselves. Accurate cutouts for the microphone, the speaker, and the USB-C, same size on there. Remember, if you've got a larger cable, you might have some issues. You're gonna have a slightly raised 4 corners on the front of the phone, so when you lay it down, you will have protection on there. All of these cases, if I didn't mention it already, are gonna come with MagSafe, what they call MagSafe. Their version of it is called Halo Lock, but essentially it's MagSafe. Next thing we've got for you is gonna be the soft case with stash stand. This is gonna be in that cloud black color. Just remember, this is the exact same as the last one we just saw in a different color. That's only the big difference. Very large cutout for that camera, so just keep that in mind, folks. Same cutout sizes for the bottom, raised 4 corners for your face down protection, but the back is going to be smooth. Okay, so there's no raised edges on the back. Still same great camera protection with that built-in kickstand on all these cases. Just remember that. Next one I've got lined up for y'all is going to be their hybrid case. So these are going to be clear cases. So clear back. And they refer to this as a classic hybrid case. This is in clear gray. Let's try it on. Let's see what it looks like. See what we're working with. And then take a look around. So with this one, you're going to have the beveled cutout for the camera button right there. Same great tactile feedback on the buttons. Same accurate cutouts on the bottom for your USB-C, your microphone, and your speaker. On the back, you're gonna have raised four corners. So remember that. Great camera protection with that built-in kickstand. This is how the Desert Titanium phone looks with this gray case. And it actually is growing on me a little bit. On the front, you're gonna have those raised four corners. And you're also gonna have this fall protection built in as well on these four corners as well. Slightly raised if you got a screen protector, so it'll give you that good protection face down when you lay your phone. Y'all know my feedback on clear cases, and I'm always concerned about how's it going to hold up to fingerprints and body oils over time, how easily it's going to scratch. Only time will tell. Again, this is that Desert Titanium in this clear case in gray color. Let's take a look at our final case in the lineup, which is going to be the same case, just in black. All right, it's going to be our last case in this particular video. This is going to be the hybrid case with stash stand, clear, in black. So there's a case right there in all of its awesome glory. By the way, all these cases, I can tell you one thing that they are all great on, besides the buttons being really tactile for feedback, they're really easy to get on and off. So beveled cutout for the camera button, great tactile feedback on all the buttons, accurate cutouts on the bottom, just remember that USB-C. There's the side right there. Back, great camera protection with that kickstand. Okay, raised corners on the back, raised corners on the front. So great front face down protection without scratching your screen protector. When you lay it down on the back, you're gonna have great protection as well. Just to show y'all, even though the angle's not great, the kickstand works fantastic. So folks, I just did a bunch of cases from ESR in a short amount of time. Just gonna lay these like this in the final view for your video. Folks, I just wanna ask you a favor. If after looking at this video, you think you might want to pick up one of these ESR cases at no additional cost to you, I would simply just ask that you use my Amazon links that I'm gonna put down in the video section or the comment section of this video. Folks, I am nothing without y'all. Thank you so much for checking out this ESR try on. You could say dress up with the new iPhone, however you want to put it, just to show you guys how it looks, give you a little bit of feedback for these cases that came out from ESR for the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing some other videos from some other different case makers like Spigen, and also a couple of brands that I haven't tried before. Okay, it's your boy Bobby G. I appreciate your time so much. Y'all have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe as always, and I'm out.